Smile. Smile.
You want to show the camera?
Side profile.
Smile.
Okay.
Rollie shine like a headlight. I be the pappy, I'm tall, ain't get right. I'm in the back of the back, get a hit right. Pull up with Draco, we turn off the headlights. Roll up a zip at the time, we could break right.
What it do is the highlight crew. Got your boy Honcho. I'm chilling here with a whole bunch of motherfuckers, man.
Money here for a headlight. I run this shit like a real life. Stupid nigga, get right. Woman tell him I be there.
And we chilling and shit. Hey man, we got, what's your name?
Ethan, my name's Ethan.
Ethan, man. Ethan lit as a motherfucker.
Lit as shit out here, man.
Oh yeah, Ethan, where you from, bro? Where you from?
Where am I from?
Yeah.
So I'm from Minneapolis, Billings, Montana.
Why you in Fargo?
Why am I in Fargo? So my mom moved here about like 10 years ago. So since she moved here, I just ended up living here.
Okay, okay. What you do, Ethan? Like, how you get money?
I drive truck right now.
Judge.
How much you make a month? What do I make a month? Well, my first month truck driving, I made about like $7,500.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
Damn. Well, like, let me tell you something. Like 2 months ago, I had no money and I was homeless. So now I got a crib and I got money coming in. So you care about it?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Yeah, alright, we're gonna ask you some questions, man, and then you can play for some money at the end. Alright, so you wanna do that? Alright, what you think your best feature is? Don't have to be looks, but it could be like personality. Your best feature is like, it could be like within me.
I say my best feature is, you know, laying down that pipe. You know?
I'm Michael Jordan. Stop it. Get some help.
That's one of my good features, you know.
So you never had no complaints?
No complaints,
No bitch never came back and said, you fucked me wrong.
I had one complaint. She said, why the fuck you can't stay hard all the time?
Oh, so it's 2 minutes in the pussy.
Well, I was about like 5
Who you think have the worst, a man or a woman?
In life, everyday life.
And like, honestly though, if you think about it,
you say a woman, why do you say a woman?
Women.
Sure. Why you say a woman?
A woman, dude, they get discriminated against every day. Workplace, dude, against at home, the husband, dude.
Real shit.
Women have it harder than shit.
Yeah, I totally agree.
I would say women when they have a child. Before that, they don't have it harder. But when they have the child, they got it harder. You know what I mean? Because you know, like. Like I be seeing women like that have like having children, they be single, they be going through the most. Like single moms, like shout out to all y'all, because y'all are having the hardest. Single moms.
Alright, I hear what both of y'all saying, but I still feel like y'all both tripping.
Whoa.
Men have the hard, what? Men easily have harder lives.
I need to talk to them, you know, we have to like be fly, have a good cut, they can be smelly, all they have to do.
Burden of performance has always been on men, but women do.
All they gotta do is have a fat ass or a cute face.
Ugly nigga, bro, they gonna die ugly.
I feel like you're going after the wrong women then.
First question.
Alright.
Do you feel like men or women get discriminated more in everyday life?
I don't know. Okay, everyday life, I say women.
Woman, okay.
Because, I don't know, just everything, like, pay scale, everybody treats us like we're fucking dumb. Like, I'm not gonna lie, at my job, everybody treats me like I'm dumb until I can prove myself. I don't know, pay scales. I don't know, just a basic, like, society thing. Everybody thinks women are...
Just looked at as, like, sex objects in a way, right?
Exactly, exactly. But at the same time, like, when you look at men and women, like, you also have to look at race, and it's like, black women are obviously more excluded than white women. Like, I also work with so many black women, and they, like, I don't know, they tell it how it is, and you try to advocate for them, and it's like nobody fucking listens. Nobody wants to listen today. Let me hold it. Oh, what is this guy talking about?
Get it on your girl.
Hey, wait, let me say, Channel 5, Andrew Callaghan. I hope you see this one day. This is who they are. This is who they are. Yeah.
I'm gonna marry Maya. I will be marrying Maya. I'm Lindsay. And I will be marrying Maya. You heard that, bitches? Yep. You need to send me this link because I will be following you forever because you are such a kind human being.
Do you have an Instagram?
Yeah.
Dude.
Where's my phone?
You should follow me. Where is your phone, girl?
Keep that camera.
I'm so fucking cold. That's my brother.
Me too. I have a little brother. He robbed me.
I have 3 little siblings and they all have FAS, and so they all threatened to kill me. Fetal alcohol. And we adopted them, and so.
How old are they? Compared to you?
Compared to me, one of them is 3 years older, one's 4 years older, and one is 6 years older.
Yeah, is that the fucking guy?
No, not older, younger. All younger.
Okay,
Sorry,
I was like,
fuck.
damn, that sounds
All younger.
Your
All
parents
younger.
like had you at when they were like.
Have you ever been called having sex?
Hey, get me on camera. Get me on camera.
So my ex, we were at his place, and my mom went out to the bar with his aunt, and they came back, and they opened the door, and they found us. So that was whatever. Also, taking this chance to advocate for ADA. Fuck yeah. Let's go. Let's serve people with autism. We love
Yes.
it. We're in it. We're in it.
Autism.
Fuck yeah. Let's advocate for our... Let's advocate. Let's go.
Alright, so see and I just met
From here.
Yeah, Maya and I just met.
Alright, shout out to you. Public intoxication is a crime.
Public intoxication. You gotta do it like my boy here. Check out the scenery, man.
Right, this shit is
Check out the
kinda
motherfucking scenery,
This
nigga.
like the only nice thing in North Dakota.
I feel like we just need like 3 more.
Look up there.
Now come back down on me.
Hey,
I'm gonna edit the fuck out this shit.
shit turned me to a demon. You about to get some? Alright,
Damn.
Alright, get his name.
She don't even give a fuck. She said, hey, alright, bet. What's your name, bro?
I'm Nathan.
Alright, Nate. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Alright, man. So, who was the first European to land on North America?
For $20.
For $20.
Christopher Columbus.
Yeah, Christopher Columbus? Is that your final answer?
First European to land on the U.S.
U.S. soil.
Yeah, that's Christopher Columbus, right? Or is it? Or is it Spanish?
Nah, it was another guy that was with him. His name is Leif Erikson.
Oh.
Leif Erikson.
Oh.
I hate
The name of the first American colony.
for $20.
For $20, man.
The first American colony?
First American colony. Like, it's real. You get the money in your hand as soon as you get the question right.
That'd be Denmark, right?
Denmark. Is that your final answer?
I would say yes. I think it is.
Denmark?
Jamestown.
Alright, come on!
It's a Revolutionary War.
When did it end?
Yeah,
Holy shit.
you gotta give me the exact date.
What was the question? Wait, I'll
The
get
exact year, the year.
I'm gonna get the question.
Revolutionary War.
Alright, you take this one.
1786.
That's yours.
Is that your final answer?
Sure. Yeah.
Wait.
Really, I think that's
All
right.
right,
Wait,
it's
I'm
September.
just a bill. I'm only a bill, right? Let's
It's
remember this.
September 3rd, 1783.
Oh, you were
is
3
it?
years
It
off.
was almost there. At least you got 17. No, she was close.
Yeah. What did you say?
I didn't say anything. I was waiting. I was trying to give you the. I didn't say if you were high or low, and I was trying to guess.
All right, 2 more. 2 more, man. 2 more. All right.
okay.
So, what founding father was credited for inventing bifocals?
Benjamin Franklin?
Man of his man of word.
Man of my word. Man of my
Let's
word.
go.
One more question.
One more question. One more question.
All right.
All right. How many original British colonies existed in America?
Is it VFW?
13.
God, he's trying to run.
Oh my God.
Like, he's trying to take all my money.
There we go. I got two.
Yo, edit the Michael Jordan crying face.
Let's go.
Body on the stretcher cause my body filled with lean. Lean on me if you desperate, I got Molly home on me. It's alright, can say whatever on the mic. Why that some shit, that's my type. And I rolling on that dice. Seagull green higher as some Seagull Street on crank. Like I'm Nino, lost my mind. Find me Nemo, Seagull Street kind. Fight like a reefer. Ball with that reefer. I can ball and still ball. While I'm sitting in the bleachers. Murky, now you left the beaches. AR-15 street sweeping. Uzi pat like I'm leaving after the show. Not just singing. Don't put call, always ringing. Come through from BA is decent. Killing decent is beefing. No for drilling, have you leaking. For that work, now you speechless.
It was written, but it was hard. And
Alright.
they got him at the email.
So, what was the name of the first American colony?
First American colony?
20 seconds,
American
Leaky.
Hold on. First American colony.
American colony, boy. Alright, so first American colony gotta be the U.S., the 13 colonies. I don't know.
Oh, just pick one colony.
What colony?
What's a colony?
Colony. Permanent. It was the Jamestown.
Oh, Jamestown River,
Jamestown,
nigga.
you feel me? We probably heard about that shit. If I wouldn't have known it myself, I wouldn't have got it.
All right, next question, boy.
Alright, so next question. What was the first capital of the United States?
Yeah, like one
Of the whole United States. Not just
Washington, D.C. Hold on, wait. Is it Washington, D.C.? Hold on, no. We not even gonna do that to them. We not even gonna do that to them.
What's the answer, boy?
New York City.
See, that's retarded, man.
Damn,
Alright,
man.
look. I lost two.
Damn, man. You lost
How
two.
many-
You
how
could have
many?
won $40, dog.
You got one more for a 20.
Nah, he still got 3 more for $100. Hey. Yeah, alright.
Get they dumb ass.
What was the name of the treaty that ended the war? Ended the war, bro. You gotta know this shit. This shit U.S. history and shit. You feel me? You gotta know this shit.
Gettysburg Address, ain't it?
The Gettysburg Address for 500. Saying for 500, please.
Hold on, wait. The treaty?
The treaty of what?
The treaty of Hold up.
Treaty of what?
Hold up.
What?
The treaty.
Yo, not the fucking
The Treaty of Paris.
Oh, fuck, man.
It's 3 for 0.
Bro, I don't know my fucking history.
It's 3 for 0. Oh my God. Alright, bet. We got 2 more questions. He could have won $60, bro. He could have won $60, bro.
I'm in my bag right now.
A free
Hold
$60,
on.
but he didn't win the shit.
Alright, ask me one more question.
Alright, the last one. I'm gonna make this shit so easy. Where was the Constitutional Convention held? Constitutional
I gotta pull out
Convention.
my Tootsie Roll for that. This nigga. How many lists?
Hold on. What flavor is it though?
Tootsie Center.
That shit hella grape.
Hella grapey.
Look, check this out. Check me out. What is it?
Hey, bitch, what up?
Wait, what is it? Tell me.
Philadelphia. Where was the Constitutional Convention held?
Philadelphia. Pennsylvania.
Yo, we got that shit right.
Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Philadelphia.
Yeah, nigga. Oh, I was finna say, my man let me hang.
Look.
Y'all so ugly, bro.
We lit, yo. He got that last shit right, and for that we finna give him $20.
Oh my God.
$20.
$20.
Woo. $20.
Your boy done came up big. I mean, honestly.
Or fuck.
What?
Hip hop.
For real? Damn. You looking for questions?
It's on.
Video. Okay.
I'm Megan.
What's your name?
Hudson.
Hudson. Okay, that's a tough ass name.
What's your question?
Get a shot.
Body build. Okay.
Alright, here's the question. Yes.
First question is, what you guys think your best feature is? Don't have to be looks.
My best feature?
It could be like
Probably my ass.
Smile, bro.
Your
For
ass?
sure.
Probably my ass.
Smile.
You wanna show the camera?
Side profile.
Smile.
Okay.
Oh.
Pretty eyes.
Smack too.
Are you a Sag? Are you a Pisces? I'm a Taurus. I hate myself too. Venus.
Okay, you're lit. Alright.
Alright,
What you think
next.
flags is?
Okay.
Before we
Red
ask
flags?
the money question.
My red flag.
Yeah, your red
Oh
flag.
god, I'm so toxic.
Shine your light in his eyes. They're dilated right now.
Oh, I'm
He's
so
probably high off that cocaine.
Hey! Fucking lit!
Yo.
My red flag is that I'm definitely toxic. 100%.
You're toxic?
100%.
Like, what you
what
mean?
makes you
Like, you
toxic?
stab God?
Oh, yo.
Oh god, yeah. No, I hate men.
There's some bro.
Like half lesbian, half what?
Damn. The Holy Trinity.
Let.
Jesus, the Ghost, and the Holy Spirit.
Alright, we're gonna ask y'all questions for money.
What's the question?
But we're gonna ask y'all one more question.
What's the
Yes,
question?
sir.
Alright, have you ever been caught having sex?
I have
fuck
not.
yeah.
No.
I have a sex tape.
You having sex tape?
Yes, sir.
Oh
Can I get
Jesus!
the link?
Link. Yo. This man just said that shit. You just said that shit.
Alright. Fuck, we finna do it the dub or dub.
PH.
So if you guys don't smoke, get the $20. If you do
lit.
smoke, you get a dub and weed.
Right here's good.
We good. Roll hard and NSTAR for life, bro.
Should we start skipping?
Sue sucks shit.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, Sue sucks shit.
We're kicking ass.
Sue sucks shit.
Sue sucks shit. Sue sucks shit. Sue sucks shit. Sue sucks shit. Sue sucks shit.
Sue sucks shit. Sue sucks shit. Sue sucks shit.
Down, babe.
Okay, alright.
Lit. Alright, y'all finna win some money.
Get the
Y'all
dub.
finna win some money and y'all can get it.
Okay, I got you. I'm here. I'm here.
Chris.
Alright.
Where's the ride?
Alright, how long do the historians estimate the first settlers arrived to America?
20 seconds, go.
Like how between
what?
now and
Yeah,
then?
it's $20, so it's not gonna be all crazy.
20
The last
seconds.
question would be easy.
It was 1700s. Like we'll say 1715.
So how
15 seconds.
How many years ago?
That's what?
100.
We'll say
300.
give or take 400 years.
Give or take.
Give or take.
400 years.
Get him in the video.
Oh!
12,000
Repeat the
years
question.
ago.
No, bro, prove it.
How long?
it?
Alright,
12,000
how long
years.
ago do historians estimate the first settlers arrived on what is now American soil?
Damn.
Proof is Give him one more. Give him another.
Two more questions.
Two more. They get two more.
Two more questions.
Two more.
It's gonna
Get
get
two more.
easier, dog.
All right. I hope so. I hope so.
Yeah.
Hey, wait.
Alright, who was the first European to land on North America?
I know.
20 seconds, go.
That's my second.
19.
On this way.
18.
We're talking about
You won $20.
Columbus.
Erickson.
Christopher
17.
Columbus.
Christopher
Is that
Columbus,
your
my
final
guy.
answer?
Leif Erickson.
Is that your final answer?
Because I know it's not right, but the
got
Vikings were the
taken
first
away.
ones to sail.
That white girl
but I
got
don't know the
picked up
name.
and she got taken away.
All right. Christopher Columbus was allegedly the first, but he was not legitimately the first. I don't know the name though.
But who's the?
I hope she don't got my.
I don't know. I'm right. I'm gonna say Christopher Columbus because I don't know the real truth, but the real truth is different. I know, bro.
Wait.
Leif Erickson. Alright, the last one I'm gonna give you some. I feel for you because I fucks with your vibe.
Third question. Last
My ass
question.
off. All right.
Bisons, pull it out in the
Fucks with
clutch.
your vibe
Alright,
so
I'm
much,
trying,
bro. Okay. Okay. Do you know anything about the Jamestown?
Last question.
Shit, not really, but I'll give it a go.
Okay. What year was the Jamestown settlement established? Come on, think about it. This is your last
20
question.
seconds.
All right. Don't just give me no answer.
All right.
Think about it. Think about it.
1693.
Oh, which one? What was
1693.
1607.
Oh, it was close.
I was
so
I was
close.
trying my best, bro.
I'm gonna do something for you since you was so
No
close.
shit.
I'm gonna do something for you since you was so close, bro.
Clutch.
I'm gonna do something for you because you was so close.
Oh.
I'll give you $10.
Oh my
I'll
god.
give you $10.
For being a
It wasn't
good
gonna be
sport.
20.
Thank you.
And
bro.
for being a
I
bison.
appreciate it, bro.
Because I
I
fuck
tried
with
my
you.
hardest. I tried my hardest. I did my best, but I just wasn't good enough.
We take explain, can explain that shit back, get right, yeah. Do my damn thing, keep it P knife to a gunfight, yeah. Please don't touch my old dog, shit might just bite, yeah. Rollie shine like a headlight, I be the pappy, I'm tall, ain't get right. I'm in the back of the head right. Pull up with Draco, we turn off the headlights. Roll up a zip at the time, we could break right, yeah. Money in for like